there foodies and home chefs. I know the struggle is real when you're juggling a million things, and all you want is to whip up a quick, tasty meal. You've got pots and pans that stick, uneven heat distribution that cook your steak to a crisp on one side and leaves it rare on the other. Not to mention the pile of dishes you're left with afterwards. It's enough to make anyone say, "Let's just order takeout." Well, not anymore. Introducing the game-changing product named Cooking Pan Set, the hero your busy kitchen deserves. Designed with your hectic life in mind, this set is here to revolutionize the way you cook. Imagine a world where your food slides right off the pan every time, without a drop of oil, and you get that perfect, even cook from edge to, for example. That's the world product name creates with its state-of-the-art non-stick technology and superior heat conduction. Say good day to soaking and scrubbing pans, and hello to more time savoring your culinary creations. And it's not just about the non-stick life. Our product name set is a marvel of versatility. With detachable handles, you can switch from stove to oven to table with one swift motion. Who doesn't love fewer dishes to wash? These pans are also stackable, saving you precious cabinet space for a kitchen that's as neat as a pin. But, my friends, product name doesn't stop there. These pans are tough, really tough, made with materials that laugh in the face of high flames and metal utensils. This is the last pan set you'll need for a very long time. Here's the kicker though, this set isn't going to be around forever. We're talking about a limited time offer that's flying off our virtual shelves. This is your chance to join the ranks of efficient, stress-free cooks who're serving up deliciousness on the daily. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Get your hands on the product name Cooking Pan Set now. Transform your kitchen nightmares into a dream and be the kitchen hero you were always meant to be. But hurry, they won't be here for long, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on this.